Good morning, everybody. Just mobilizing equipment back from the foam site. We're gonna get everything pressure washed and cleaned up before it moves on to the next. I'll probably do that tonight, pressure wash everything after work. Just clean up, you know, just all the grease and So Sunday when I brought back the roller, I noticed a little leak getting worse on my hub on my truck. It was leaking for a week or two right here, and so I took that apart and made a nice cool video of that, but I lost all the footage. You know, after hours of editing, the program that I used had a glitch and things went haywire or whatever, so I ended up deleting it. And of course I deleted it off my GoPro, which if I didn't I could just re-upload it to the computer. But so now that SD card is down at a computer pro shop and they're trying to recover the data, which is $80, and I'm like whatever. All right guys, this is some leftover stone we have here. We are just gonna fill this void where we got the well line and all the trap going out, fill it with the bigger stone before the pea stone. I got the load of pea stone on the truck. We're gonna start filling this foundation with some stone. All right, we got our lines all snapped for the pea stone. 4 inches of pea stone all in here. A couple pipes are a little high. Plumber's got to come back and knock that down. We just shot everything, but other than that, it isn't that bad. Dump it off, get to town. All right, we got the pea stone going in. Need some in the corner there, mate? Right here a little bit. One thing about this pea stone, it is easy to rake. And there's a lot of hand raking in there with all them pipes. You can't put the machine down and move it with the bucket, because you move those pipes, you'll crack them and whatnot. gonna go get another load of pea stone, put Miko on the controls, and I'll be back. The boss says we are 1 inch low here, as he has marked out, so we will fill the depression. pea stones in, we have to leave this little pile right here. Plumbers are going to do a change out on a pipe, make it a little bigger. But the pea stone's installed. We're just going to screed it off, and Miko will start installing the foam. I'm going to track this machine on out. We're done with it here for a while. We have to go bring it back to the shop, do a quick service, pressure wash, clean it, and on to the next foundation. All right, so when I was tracking down here, the wind's blowing this way towards me. I smelled diesel fuel, and as an owner operator, you know, you drive with all, you operate with all your senses, your eyes, your smell, and you feel or hear or see something wrong, you just stop. So I stopped here, and then I see some fuel out here, blah blah blah. So let's take an inspection. I don't know what it could be. It's coming definitely from here. Nothing there. Oh, what's it? Oh, I see what it is. That's the fuel return. And I never, I did this temporarily when I first did the job here. We had a leak on the return feed. I'll show you where that is. That's what that is. I put that on. I thought I replaced it, but I must have not. I must have said that was good enough at the time. Huh. So that is the return off the injectors that goes back to the tank. It's got to be missing because that's the piece I put on. Yep, there it is. Okay. That piece right there. That end right there. So this piece here goes on there. So all the fuel was pushing out over there and then down onto the tracks. And then I put this on, and then it's a plug. So the plug had dry rotted about a month or so ago, and maybe a little longer. I put this on temporarily when we got on this job. It's never been back to the shop yet. So like I said, this machine's going back now. Do a quick pressure wash. We got to pressure wash all this. I didn't do that this year yet. And pressure wash all that hydraulic fluid when I had that line bust. This whole thing was hydraulic. Get the whole thing clean. All right, it's back on. Gotta get a clamp on that, or buy the right one. That was just a temporary fix that I forgot to fix. So I did get the Computer Pro to get that SD card, all the footage back on, and you can see this hub's not leaking anymore. So you will see that video coming up in the next few days. It's a cool little tutorial on how to pull the axle and rebuild them, you'll see. Just watch the video. All right, let's get loaded up. End of the day, we got all the pea stone in, screed it off with our aluminum screed, got our marks there. A couple piles here that we still got to get out. Plumber's gonna fix that in the morning. He's gonna extend or make a bigger pipe, finish that off, do a little more fine tuning where we need to, and start laying foam in the morning. But not bad, we got that all in and flat, and it makes me happy. So we'll see you in the morning. All right, all chained and binded down. Got the stick binded, 4 points on the tracks, just like so. Put my old turbo saver on. We like to use a concrete boot. cheap and easy. If you lose it, it don't make. You got another pair. Another one for left foot, right foot, right? Now, another binder and another binder down there. Good to go. Triple check all that. Good to go. All right. We'll see you in the morning for real this time.